Good morning, my loving kids. Hope you are doing well. Today I am going to teach you typing on the keyboard. What is that? Typing on the keyboard. Kids, what do you use to write in your book? Yes, you can use pen or pencil. You can use pen or pencil. But we cannot use a pen or pencil on write on a computer screen. We are going to learn how to correctly type using a keyboard. We are going to learn how to correctly type using a keyboard. Let's see how to do that.